Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will learn about stationary waves, also called standing waves, for grade 12. We will see how they form, identify nodes and antinodes, write the equation, and understand harmonics on a string. A stationary wave forms when two identical waves travel in opposite directions along the same path and overlap. Imagine a rope tied to a wall. You send a wave, it reflects back, and the two waves interfere to create a standing wave. Let's visualize two waves moving left and right, and then their sum. In a standing wave, some points never move. These are called nodes. Points that move the most are called antinodes. Let's mark nodes and antinodes on the standing wave. Now, let's write the mathematics. A right-moving wave is a sine of kx minus omega t. A left-moving wave is a sine of kx plus omega t. When we add them, we get a standing wave. 2 a sine kx times cosine omega t. Notice how the position and time are separated. Important distances. The gap between two successive nodes is half a wavelength. The gap between two successive antinodes is also half a wavelength. The distance from a node to the next antinode is 1/4 of a wavelength. On a string fixed at both ends, only certain standing waves can form. These are called harmonics. Let's visualize the first 3 harmonics. Finally, here is a quick comparison between progressive waves and stationary waves. That's the core idea of stationary waves, formed by two identical waves moving in opposite directions, producing nodes and antinodes and creating harmonics on a string. Thank you for learning with Brain League Learning.